Lucy, this is a fail. 2, 3, go.
Welcome to Matootie Tales.
Yay! What are we gonna do, Bella?
We're gonna draw Easter stuff, and we're gonna do an experiment on the Easter thing.
Whoa!
Because it's almost Easter.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Go, Harvey. You wanna just do whatever? We need to make sure it's together. Make sure you do it over and over on top of it.
I think I want to.
Oh yeah, like that. You can do rainbow as well. Wow.
There.
You gotta keep doing it again and again so that it goes through the paper.
Well, I'm doing a bunny.
Okay, that's cool. What are you drawing on? Do you know what this is called?
Paper towel?
Yeah. So they're using paper towel. Make sure you go over and over and over the lines.
Now I'm finished.
Whoa. Did it go through? Can you? So it's folded. It's folded into two. You're using 2 paper towels, and then it's on top. So when they open it, you can see an outline. So you gotta make sure it's really thick, the outline. What does it smell like?
Raspberries.
Why does everything smell like raspberry to you? Do you even know what raspberry smells like? Okay, you ready, babe? You ready to color it in? So go turn it around so you can show the camera. Ooh, that's Bella's bunny. She did that all from her head. She's not copying anything. Alright, turn it around so you can see it. And then you're going to open it and then color this one in. Different colors. You ready, Harvey? You finished? Alright, now we're gonna try and put it in here. Okay, we'll do this first. Gentle, just slowly.
Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.